has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, northwestern Travis County, northeastern Blanco County, south central Burnett County, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithnick, or 9 miles east of Marble Falls, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Austin, Cedar Park, Anderson Mill, Leander, Lakeway, Lago Vista, The Cave, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Spicewood, Barton Creek, Smithnick, Mansfield Dam, Jonestown, Briarcliff, Point Venture, Vollant, Lost Creek, and Brushy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.